I'm back, guys. So, after I finished the last video I put out, the rain kind of stopped raining as hard. It's still raining, but it's more like a drizzle right now. And since I'm right at the entrance of the bamboo forest, I thought this would be a great opportunity to take you guys along for the walk. It's actually quite nice without all the people here. It's very peaceful. And the rain kind of adds to the atmosphere, don't you agree? It really is a different feeling with less people, around here trying to take photos. I remember the first time I came here was when it was very busy and I kept bumping into people. I had such a hard time filming then. Yeah, everyone wanted to try to get like the best photo possible in this area. Last time Satoshi and I were here, I'm not sure if I'm on the same street. I'm just assuming I'm on the same street, but there was this really nice cafe. And if that's open, I think I'd like to get some tea. Once again, that's if I am on the same street. Not so sure anymore. I don't know. I remember there being a big field, but I don't see any field. I do see some nice cherry blossoms though. Oh, definitely wrong street. It's such a mystery why I get lost all the time. I don't know why. I mean, I've been here before and I'm lost. But the cherry blossoms are beautiful. Even when I get lost, I can find something that'll catch my attention. And that's a beautiful Shidare Sakura over there. Man, look at this. 綺麗だね. Yes, I have returned to the same place. I figure it might be safer if I just stick to the main streets. Yeah. Look, Arashiyama in the distance. So after getting lost in the bamboo forest, I realized that I am a little bit tired. So I am heading back to Kyoto Station. That's what I'm gonna do now. Oh, what a pretty duck. I noticed there are a lot of ducks in Kyoto. Can you guys see that duck down there? Let me zoom up for you guys. You see? So I came with the Hankyu line. I am going back with JR. Yeah, I need to go to Kyoto Station anyway, rather than where my hotel is, which is in Kawaramachi. Yeah, I need to go to Kyoto Station because I need to buy some souvenirs for Satoshi. Renting a bicycle is a great way to see Kyoto, I think, because Kyoto's pretty flat. And here it says, with your bicycle, you can see all this with your bicycle. One day I think I would like to do that. And there's actually a train you can ride from here, Arashiyama Toroko Station, to here or vice versa. And I think this goes down this river, the Hose River. Yeah, looks like it. One day I shall do that. Here's a picture of the train. That's a train. It's called the Romantic Train. Sagano Romantic Train. And yeah, it does take you along this river, looks like. Yeah, this is something I would definitely like to do. What do you guys think? Fun idea? I'm safely back at Kyoto Station. I'm going to take the subway and head back to my hotel room. I think I need an extra layer of something because it is cold today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on my next adventure. Where do you think I'm going next? Guess correctly, and well, I don't really have anything to give you, but guess anyway.